After gaining popularity in China, Japan, Singapore, fish pedicure has become the latest beauty craze in different parts of the country. But fish pedicure have raised serious health concerns. According to British experts, the trend could spread infection and diseases through open wounds.
Fish pedicure can be really infectious because you are required to dip your feet into the water, and that is nibbled away by the small fishes. Because you are using the water continuously, in spite of that, they can be UV lit or they can be disinfected, but they always carries the risk of infection if there is open wounds. Moreover, because they nibble away the deadly skins and some dead tissue can always remain in the container, the second customer who is coming in can always catch the infection from them. Moreover, like any other pedicure system where you discard the tools, here you keep on using the same tools that are the fishes. So there are always chances of cross infections or infection over the open wounds.
Moving around in a tub of water, numerous small fish known as Gara rufa nibble the dead skin, leaving hands and feet shiny and smooth. But according to the therapy opponents, unlike usual saloon rules, here the staff cannot throw away or sanitize tools after each use, as the epidermis-eating fish are too expensive to discard. On the other hand, salon experts assure that proper measures are taken to avoid any infection, like using constantly filtered UV-lit tanks.
For that hygiene purpose, we clean there are filter inside. Every hour we clean the filter, whoever take the treatment, and every day we change the water. We use only mineral water in that.
The agency started investigating after being approached by environmental health officers. The HPA is investigating after the treatment was banned by 14 American states. It will also examine the most up-to-date evidence of any possible risk associated with Gara rufa fish pedicures. CVB News, Delhi.